the output with the 100mm 10x macro Apexel lens. You can see very beautiful bokeh on the background, that circular bokeh. So if I put any subject in between background and camera, you can see how beautiful this images will look like. So you will get very nice bokeh-licious background with this macro lens. The quality of this macro lens is very nice because it is made from high quality macro lens. The distance between this subject and macro lens is around more than 5 cm, around I think 6 to 7 cm. It's similar to that false lens, that is 75mm macro lens. You can check that false lens as well. So both works I think the same. So currently it looks like both provide the similar type of output. We will test these two lenses side by side and in another video. So from this lens the output is very nice.